Let's be real. Life is messy. Between my morning coffee spills and my dog tracking mud across the rug, I feel like I'm always fighting a losing battle against stains. I went out and bought 5 of the most popular stain removers on the market to see which ones actually work and which ones are just hype. I've spent the last week scrubbing everything from wine to grass stains, so you don't have to waste your money.
Product number 1. Kids and Pets Instant All-Purpose Stain and Odor Remover. When I first picked up this 32-ounce bottle of Kids and Pets, I noticed it felt substantial, not like some of those watered-down sprays. It's got that all-purpose vibe, but what really sold me was the non-toxic label. Since I'm spraying this on my couch and mattress, I don't want anything that's going to irritate my skin or my dog's paws. During my testing, I put it to the ultimate test, a set-in cat urine smell on a rug that I thought was a goner. I sprayed it on, let the patented formula do its thing, and was honestly shocked. It didn't just mask the smell with a heavy perfume, it actually neutralized it. I also tried it on some old coffee spots on my bedding. It's a wet and forget type of deal for odors, but for stains, a little blot went a long way. The fact that it's parent-tested, parents-approved makes total sense because it handles those organic messes, think juice, mud, or accidents, without any harsh chemical fumes. If you have pets or toddlers who seem determined to ruin your upholstery, this is the bottle you need to keep under the sink. It's safe, it's cruelty-free, and it actually gets the stink out instead of just hiding it. It's definitely my top pick for furniture and large fabric surfaces. Product number 2. Vanish Oxy Action Color Safe Stain Remover Powder. I've used a lot of powders, but the Vanish Oxy Action tub feels like a classic for a reason. Opening the 1 kilogram tub, you get a hit of that floral scent, which is nice and fresh without being overwhelming. It comes with a little scoop, which I used to pre-treat some shirts that had some nasty underarm yellowing and old grease spots. The big claim here is that it works in a 30 degrees Celsius cold wash. I'm usually skeptical of cold water cleaning, but I threw a scoop into a load of mixed laundry, cottons, polyesters, the works, and set it to a cold cycle. When the timer went off, I checked those grease stains. They were completely gone. The Oxy Power Lift agents really do the heavy lifting from deep inside the fibers. I love that it's chlorine-free because I didn't have to worry about it eating holes in my favorite shirts or fading my bright colors. You can use it as a soak for really tough set-in stains, or just toss a scoop in every wash as insurance. It's incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a heavy-duty, everyday booster to keep your whites white and your colors popping without the fear of bleach damage, this is the one to grab. It's a solid, reliable workhorse for your laundry room.
Product number 3. Katie Laundry Stain Remover Stick, 3-pack. This Katie stick reminded me of a giant lip balm or a glue stick when I first pulled it out of the pack. It's small, solid, and fits right in my pocket or the glove box of my car. I love that it's a dry stick because there's zero risk of it leaking and making a mess in my bag while I'm out. I took this with me to lunch, and right on cue, I dropped some oily salad dressing on my cotton shirt. I followed the directions, wetted the spot with a little cold water, and rubbed the stick directly on the stain. It's phosphate-free and biodegradable, which is a nice bonus. Back at home, I threw the shirt in the wash, and the grease was nowhere to be found. It's also surprisingly good on collar grime and ink marks. Since you get a 3-pack, I kept one at home, one in my desk at the office, and one in my travel kit. It's cheap insurance for your expensive suits or that one white shirt you love. If you're someone who's always on the go, or just a bit clumsy like me, this stick is a lifesaver. It's not for deep cleaning a whole rug, but for targeted spots on wool, cotton, or synthetics, it's brilliant.
Product number 4, S32 Spot Stain Remover. The S32 comes in a 2-pack of 15.2-ounce bottles, and it looks like something you'd see a professional cleaning crew using. It's very no-frills and unscented, which I actually prefer for certain jobs. When I held the bottle, it felt like a serious commercial-grade tool rather than a flowery household spray. I tested this on some stubborn mystery spots on my car upholstery that had been there for months. I just applied a bit of the liquid and let it sit for a minute. It's a thinner consistency than the gels, so it penetrates the fabric quickly. With a little light scrubbing, those old spots lifted right out. It's marketed for both commercial and household use, and you can really feel that strength. It didn't leave any weird residue or ring around the area I cleaned, which is a common problem with some liquid removers. Because it's unscented, I didn't have to worry about my car smelling like a chemistry lab for a week. If you're dealing with older, stubborn stains that your regular detergent can't touch, or if you have a lot of high-traffic areas in your house that need constant attention, the S32 is a powerful, straightforward choice. It's all about performance over presentation. Product number 5, JMS SKJ Bleach Pen for clothes. This JMS SKJ pen is a pretty cool little gadget. It's got a dual tip design, a small applicator on one end for precision, and a larger scrubby brush on the other. It feels like a thick marker in your hand. This isn't your standard all-over cleaner. It's a lemon-scented bleach gel specifically for whitening and precision work. I used the fine tip to get into the grout lines in my bathroom, and it worked wonders on those tiny black spots. But for clothes, I used it on a white hoodie that had a tiny speck of juice right on the cuff. I squeezed a bit of the gel out, used the brush end to work it in, and then made sure to wipe off the excess so it wouldn't touch the colored parts of the sleeve. It's a bleach product, so you have to be careful, but the gel consistency means it doesn't run or drip where you don't want it. I even saw some people using this for DIY denim designs, which is a fun touch. Just remember, keep this away from your colored clothes, unless you want a bleached out look. If you need to whiten a fridge seal, clean up some grout, or fix a tiny stain on a pure white shirt, this pen is super convenient. It's the ultimate tool for detail-oriented cleaning.